Fresh arrest has been made in the NEET probe. A journalist from Jharkhand has been held by the CBI. Meanwhile, the opposition is slamming Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his silence on the issue.
The NEET paper leak scam continues to unravel. The probe is getting murkier, widening from Bihar to Jharkhand to Maharashtra. The CBI has arrested a journalist, Jamaluddin, from Hazaribagh, who has become a hotspot of the NEET probe. Jamaluddin reportedly was part of the paper leak gang. The CBI secured a 5-day custody of Dr. Ehsan ul Haq, principal of Oasis School in Hazaribagh. It is alleged that the paper was leaked from this particular school. Maharashtra police is also tightening the noose around the gang. Gangadhar, identified as the mastermind behind the paper leak from Latur, has been detained by the police in Uttarakhand. Authorities allege that he was responsible for handing over admit cards to other members of the gang. With multiple arrests and high-profile political statements, the NEET controversy shows no signs of abating. The coming days will be crucial as the investigation progresses and political pressure mounts. Sonia Gandhi has urged Prime Minister Modi to address the NEET issue directly. Taking a jab at his Pariksha Pe Charcha event, she accused him of remaining silent on the paper leak scandal.
There was a unanimous agreement among all opposition parties that yes, a discussion on NEET, a one-day discussion on NEET is required and should be done. I tried to raise it in Parliament. Of course, as you saw, I wasn't allowed to speak. It's sad that the Prime Minister of India, who in fact should be leading the discussion and should be telling us about his opinion and should be telling us about what he is going to do, simply doesn't want to debate.
पहले तो कहते हैं कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, छोटे मोटे चीजें हुई हैं. पहले अगर आप शिक्षा मंत्री का पहला बयान आप याद रखेंगे, उन्होंने कुछ ये नहीं कहा था कि ये बहुत बड़ा घोटाला है, जो कुछ कार्रवाई करनी है हम करेंगे. ये तो बिल्कुल एनटीए, समस्या एनटीए में है, यूजीसी में है.
The BJP government has hit back at the opposition, saying that the India bloc wants to create ruckus on the paper leak issue and ensure that work isn't done in Parliament.
और सरकार की ओर से मैंने कल ही आश्वस्त किया है, स्पष्टता के साथ कहा है कि हम सभी प्रकार की चर्चा के लिए प्रस्तुत हैं. चर्चा से कांग्रेस पार्टी भागना चाहती है. Their only intention is to create chaos, confusion, and create obstacle for smooth functioning of the entire institutional mechanism.
The NEET paper leak scandal continues to be a major issue with implications for students, educational institutions and the political landscape.
Notably, as the day passes, the political war over the issue is expected to further escalate as the India bloc wants to raise this issue in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and the government is saying, let's focus on the vote of thanks for the president's speech. With video journalist Sachin Chandok, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today.